If your agency is asking you what your ROAS goal should be, you have the wrong agency. What I mean by that is ROAS is a fairly poor way of measuring the campaign success. It doesn't tell you if it's brand traffic, non-brand, cold, warm, new, repeat, referral, omnichannel. It doesn't tell you anything but that I spent money and something happened, which seems like a good idea, but it's not the way to measure growth. You need to understand your customer cost. How much does it acquire a new customer? How much do they spend with you every 3, 6, 9, 12 months? How often do they repeat? What is the average order value? What is the attrition rate of those people? Do they leave after a certain amount of time? Are you on a subscription service? Those are the questions that you should be going through, or at least identifying first before hiring an agency. We've actually developed this calculator to help you do exactly that. Now, it's not going to get us 100% of the way there, but it's going to allow us to have a much more educated conversation about your specific needs and strategy. So please test the calculator, see if it works for you, see if you can identify something that might be a little bit closer to your goals, and maybe even compare that against your own Google Ads account and say, are my goals in line? Are my campaigns working towards the goals my specific unique business needs? So go ahead, give it a try. We're going to dive right in. And the topic for today, the discussion topic, is going to be MER, Media Efficiency Ratio. And what MER is, Media Efficiency Ratio, is, think of it like company ROAS. So all cash spend out on paid media versus all revenue in.